Hi everyone, and welcome back to our gratitude series. If you're new here, I'm Clemmons, and I teach self-directed neuroplasticity to help you calm your limbic system and heal from chronic illness. In part one of this series, we explored how gratitude can literally rewire your brain, making it a powerful tool for your neural retraining journey. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can find it in the link below. Today, in part two, we'll go deeper into how to make your gratitude practice more effective. If you've ever felt like your gratitude practice has become stale or routine, don't worry, you're not alone. I'll share some simple yet powerful strategies to keep your practice engaging and meaningful and supportive of your healing. So let's get started. First is to be specific. One of the most effective ways to deepen your gratitude practice is to be specific. So instead of writing a general statement like, I'm grateful for my health, try something more detailed, like, I'm grateful for the energy I had to take a short walk today. Or, I'm thankful for the way my body is working hard to heal. Specificity helps your brain to fully register the gratitude, creating stronger and more vivid neural pathways. This is crucial for calming your limbic system and making your body feel safer. Second is to really feel the emotion. It's easy to rush through a gratitude list without really feeling the impact. But to support your healing, it's important to pause and to fully immerse yourself in the emotions of gratitude. So when you write or think about what you're grateful for, take a moment to close your eyes and let the feeling sink in. Really feel the warmth, the joy, the peace that comes with that gratitude, and just allow it to wash over you. This emotional engagement will help to tell your nervous system we're safe and we're supported, which helps to reduce limbic system activity and opens the door to healing. Third is to express gratitude regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to neural retraining, and gratitude is no different. Make your gratitude practice a regular part of your daily routine. The more consistently you engage in gratitude, the more your brain will strengthen these positive neural pathways, making it easier to shift out of survival mode. Daily practice helps your limbic system to get the repeated reassurance that it needs to feel safe and calm. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even just taking 1 minute each morning or evening to reflect on something that you're grateful for can have a huge impact over time. Fourth is to pair gratitude with existing habits. One of the easiest ways to make gratitude a lasting habit is to pair it with something that you're already doing. This could be thinking of something that you're grateful for at the beginning of every mealtime, or every time you brush your teeth, or while you're having your morning coffee. This technique not only makes your practice more manageable, but also provides regular calming signals to your nervous system throughout the day, reinforcing your neural retraining. And finally, practice self-compassion. Remember to be gentle with yourself. If you have days when practicing gratitude feels difficult or forced, that's okay. Healing from chronic challenges and rewiring your brain is a journey, and it's perfectly normal to have ups and downs. Approach your practice with self-compassion, recognizing that every small effort counts. Even just the intention to be grateful, even if it doesn't feel perfect, sends a message of kindness and safety to your limbic system. By enhancing your gratitude practice with these simple strategies, you're not just boosting your mood, but you're actively supporting your brain's healing and calming your nervous system. Remember, gratitude isn't about perfection. It's about consistently choosing to focus on the good, even in small ways, to create a more supportive environment for your neural retraining practice. So thank you so much for being here and for your commitment to your well-being. Your dedication inspires me, and I'm grateful for the community that we're building here together. If you're finding this series helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 3, where we will cover even more practical ways to deepen your gratitude practice for neural retraining. What's one specific thing that you're grateful for today? I'd love to have you share it in the comments. Take care, and thank you so much for joining me here, and I'll see you in part 3. Bye for now.